गिरने के कारण कई लोगों की जानें गई हैं और कई लोग अभी दबे हुए हैं। जानकारी मुझे प्राप्त हुई और प्राप्त होते ही तुरंत मैंने डीजी एनडीआरएफ से बात की है कि तुरंत राहत के लिए वहां टीम भेजी जानी चाहिए। टीम पहले ही प्रस्थान कर चुकी है, मैं समझता हूं कि पहुंच गई होगी और जिन लोगों की जानें गई हैं मैं अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और ये हादसा जो रहा बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण रहा और इस पर मैं हृदय की गहराइयों से कष्ट व्यक्त करता हूं।
इसका संज्ञान लिए हुए हैं और जो भी उचित वहां पर सहायता कार्य हो सकता है वो करने में सक्रिय है।
केंद्र सरकार की ओर से किस तरह की इनिशिएटिव और
हर प्रकार की, और केंद्र सरकार पहले भी जब भी कभी इस प्रकार की कोई दुर्घटना होती है आगे बढ़ करके प्रदेश सरकारों का सहयोग करती है।
Under construction flyover collapse near Ganesh Talkies in Kolkata. What's your reaction?
No, at the outset, from the human angle, I would say that this is certainly an unfortunate happening, and our hearts go out with those who have been hurt or who have been harmed by this incident. And having said that, I would say that the Ministry of Home Affairs, the disaster management agencies, they always take cognizance of such incidents, and they have the capability and mechanism to provide all kind of help and assistance on the spot and also to the concerned state governments.
What kind of help is provided by the central?
Depending upon the requirement, the central government has been forthcoming even in the past whenever there was an unfortunate incident like this or a natural calamity like this. And not only it has been very prompt in providing assistance, it has also provided assistance till the time the rescue operations followed by the relief operation is accomplished in total.
उसके बाद हमारे एनडीआरएफ के टीम जो है वो भी हमने भेज चुके हैं और साथ साथ में ये भी कहा है कि एडिशनल जो भी चाहिए रेस्क्यू के लिए वो भी हम देंगे और वहाँ का जो भी नेसेसरी जो ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह जो करना है वो राज्य सरकार कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एडिशनल और फोर्स चाहिए और भी अगर पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस का कहीं और से चाहिए वो भी हम तैयार रखे हुए हैं। खास करके एनडीआरएफ की टीम तो पहुंच गई है और लेकिन और भी चाहिए वो भी भेजेंगे। ये ट्रेजेडी जो है अचानक जो हुआ है और बहुत क्राउडेड जगह है, वहाँ काफ़ी लोगों का हताहत हुआ है, तो ये बहुत ही हम लोगों के लिए एक दुख की बात है कि शहरों के बीच में इस तरह का घटना हुआ है। तो अभी उसका तुरंत हम लोग रिपोर्ट भी ले रहे हैं और कोई भी सहायता हमारे ओर से जरूरत पड़ेगा वो तुरंत मिलेगा।
Sir, has MHA demanded a report from West Bengal government? This is obviously a crucial area, under construction flyover really collapsing at this point of time. So have you demanded a report since you look at the disaster management?
No, this report will automatically be generated because there is an operation going on and the state government is already doing whatever is necessary and our central forces are there to support and help and take part in the rescue and relief operation. So definitely it is a joint work and whatever necessary help required further also will be made available.
So the army has been called in, but what sort of help does MHA provide? We believe some NDRF teams have been rushed. Can you give us details?
No, we have already sent. The first team has already reached. 2 teams are there. If necessary, more team will be sent. And since we are the nodal ministry to handle the situation of this kind of disaster, we'll definitely take stock of the entire situation, but I'm sure the state government is looking closely and monitoring the entire rescue operation. And now, since most of the things have become clear, there are quite a substantial numbers of casualties. So it's a very sad for all of us, but we have to take care of the injured and moreover the site needs to be cleared. So everything will be done as per the requirement.
What kind of financial help will be provided?
That we will help. We have already set norms. The help will be immediately released. Whatever is entitled, the monetary and other things, these are not urgent at this moment. It's the rescue and relief. Then subsequently relief, whatever is to be given for the family, kids and kins of the disease and all, this will come. This is automatic thing. This will come later.
रिजू साहब, क्या राज्य सरकार से बातचीत हुई है पूरी स्थिति?
नहीं, अभी तो बातचीत का समय नहीं ना, अभी तो तुरंत उसको ऑपरेशन करने का समय है। हमारे टीम तो वहाँ पहुँच गए हैं और राज्य सरकार काम कर रहे हैं। उनका राज्य सरकार का जो सीनियर ऑफिशियल सब वहाँ में पहुँचे हुए हैं। हमारे तरफ से भी जो बाकी टीम है वो भी हम पहुंचने के लिए सबको कह दिया है और एनडीआरएफ की टीम पहुंच गई है और भी ज़रूरी होगा वो भी पहुंच जाएंगे.
Sir, you're looking at the ministry which deals in disaster management. So do tell us what sort of measures will be taken to ensure that something like this doesn't happen? Is the quality of the construction? What all steps can you really take?
Well, definitely, this is a concern. I have always been said that safety measure has to be given top priority in terms of designing, in terms of the quality, in terms of all the measures to be taken. There are prescribed norms. We have already stated that any developmental projects and programs need to incorporate the disaster mitigation concept into the whole affairs. There has to be safety measures adequately made as a provision in the whole project.
Sir, just preliminary information that has come to you, any suspicion of a sabotage?
No, this I cannot speculate like that at this stage.
And no particular request from the state government as yet?
No, this, see, relief and rescue operations are immediate.
Yes.
These are, we should be readily, coming into the picture and help. We shouldn't wait for the requisitions and all these things because this is a disaster. Disaster has to be responded immediately.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.